In today's episode, we'll be decorating for Christmas. So if you're interested in seeing what area I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, everyone, and welcome to day one of the 12 Days of Christmas. I am your host, Stephanie, of Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on the Budget. Now, today, you see, I'm decorating my coffee station. So, my theme is very simple in the kitchen it is the snowman. So, if you're interested in seeing how all this turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Now here you see me messing around with my coffee mugs. And I was saying that something was missing, something didn't look right. Then I had to think about what else I had in my stash, right? And you know we all have something in our stash. Then I remembered, I know what I want to use. So I'm taking everything back off the tray and getting ready to put on my add-on. I know we all do that. We start and we look and it's like it's missing something. It's missing something. So these I've had for years. I bought them at the Dollar Tree years and years ago. And they are blue glitter snowflakes. And I thought this color blue would go really well with what I'm doing on this coffee station. So let's get a close-up of everything that's on the coffee station. Then I decided I want to move something else around to get a better feel of things. So I took off 2 mugs, a female and a male mug, and I placed them at each coffee machine. The Keurig, and then the other one I over here have for my husband. So now I'm finished. So now let's get a close-up look. Now, excuse the bills, but here's my lady coffee mug. Now I have 3 women and 3 men, and all of those were thrifted on eBay. And what started the hunt was I found one at a thrift shop I was going to, so I looked for the others. Now this small coffee pot and the creamer and the milk, the creamer and the sugar, they were thrifted. I found the teapot first, and then I found the creamers. Now I'm using, of course, my copper coffee sign, and I'm keeping the same old copper containers I always use. The white Christmas tree that came from Walmart a few years back, and the hot coffee sign that came from, I think it was the Target Dollar Spot, and that's been years ago. And in my cake plate, I have a red velvet bundt cake, a mini bundt cake. Now everything on here was already in my stash. I purchased nothing. So I really like my blue snowman. I've loved them for years. I've been collecting bit by bit. It started off with some salt and pepper shakers. Of those, the female and the male, it started off with those as salt and pepper shakers, and it grew into what I have today. And you will be seeing more of that later on when I decorate the rest of the kitchen. I'm really happy with it. Let me know what you think about my coffee station down below, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.